Well, hello, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Michelle Nedwick, and I do healthy lifestyle videos that include some new recipes, some fashion content, some beauty content, a look into my crazy life, and I'm also documenting my journey on compounded Tirzepatide. So, good morning, everyone. This will probably post in the afternoon, but right now it is Monday, December 23rd in the morning. I ended up getting up a little bit early, so I thought I would hop on here really fast. So in my last video, we talked about the FDA taking Tirzepatide off the shortage list and confirming that, which then sets into motion the deadlines that the compounding pharmacies have to meet. So 503A pharmacies like Red Rock, they have until February 18th. And then the 503B pharmacies like Hallandale have until a month later in March. I think it's March 21st, but don't hold me to that. Also in that video, I told you guys not to panic. But in the same breath, I also said, if you are able to stock up, then you might want to think about it. And I told you that I had recently ordered 3 more vials from Zappy Health. And I thought that the vials were going to come from Ousia Pharmacy. That's O-U-S-I-A. I had ordered from Zappy once before and got 3 vials from Ousia that were 1-year long buds. Now, after I posted the video and urged you guys all to look into Zappy Health, I got a message from them, and they are no longer using Ousia Pharmacy. So I'm not sure what is going to happen with my order. They gave me the option of another pharmacy that is either a licensed 503A or B, and I said, go ahead. I have not heard back. I don't know where they're sending my order. And it is starting to make me a little bit nervous because I did spend $987 for those 3 vials. Now, I heard that Zappy might start using Hallandale. So I'm thinking that's maybe where Zappy's going to send it. I don't know. I will keep you guys updated. So I do think you can still trust Zappy Health. I have no reason to believe that they won't follow through with what they've promised. So I'll just keep you guys informed. And when I get those 3 vials, and they'll be 15 milligram doses, I will let you know. So anyway, so I guess Ousia Pharmacy ran into some licensing issues. I'm not exactly sure what happened. I do have 3 vials from them, and I intend on using them. I had researched that pharmacy on Reddit previously, and I know that somebody on Reddit paid to have their vial analyzed, and it came back 99% pure. So I'm not too worried that the product that they made is bad. I am still going to use it when the time comes and not worry about it. So I just wanted to make sure that you guys know that if you do order from Zappy Health, it most likely will not be coming from Ousia Pharmacy. Anyway, so let me get into a little bit of week 18 recap. So if you saw in the video I did a couple videos ago, I told you I was experiencing some holiday blues. And I guess I am a little bit here and there. I'm not sure what I'm doing as far as holiday plans go. I am invited to go to my ex-in-laws on Christmas Eve. So actually, my ex-sister-in-law lives 2 streets over. So I'm probably going to at least stop over there for a little bit. And then Friday morning, we go to my daughter's and unwrap presents. And then I'll come back and spend the day with Mike. And I bought a roasting chicken, stovetop stuffing. I'm going to make my homemade mashed potatoes and green beans. And then I thought that I would make those 2-ingredient dough apple turnovers for dessert. And I'll find that video and link it up here. Now, if you're watching on your phone or your computer at work, you'll see a link. But if you are watching on your television, just look in my description box below and it should list the video. But anyway, I made those apple turnovers and they turned out so good. So I'm gonna put a big Christmas spread on just for me and Mike. I'm kind of excited. I know it seems weird being that I'm 56 years old, but I have never made stuffing in my life. So I am anxious to make it and stuff my roasting chicken with it. So if you guys have any tips on maybe some extra ingredients to add to the stovetop stuffing to make it better, please let me know in the comments below. All right, back to week 18 recap. So as you know from a couple videos ago, I decided not to weigh in on week 18. I am giving myself a little bit of grace and allowing myself to relax a little bit over the holidays and not worry about the scale. I do intend on getting right back on track after Christmas, and I will bring you more videos of what I eat in a day and how I track calories and protein, and Mike is gonna do it right along with me. I use the Lose It app to track my calories and protein. I am also a member of Weight Watchers and am considering returning to the meetings with my friend Gina. She goes every Saturday and I'd like to give her support, and I think it will keep my head in the game, so to speak. So I don't know if I gained or lost. We'll see. I probably will not weigh myself this Friday either, so I will wait until the following Friday. I take my shots on Thursday, and I feel like the 8 milligrams is doing pretty well, but I also feel like maybe the food noise is coming back a little bit, so I'm gonna finish out this vial, and then my next vials are 10 milligrams, and so I will probably titrate up in a few weeks. So I just wanted to hop on here because I felt really bad that I was talking up this Usia pharmacy, which turned out to have licensing issues. So, you know, I'm sorry about that. I did not know that when I was posting the video, so I wanted to set the record straight. I think their product is still fine, and I do intend on using it. And I'm still awaiting those last 3 vials from Zappy Health, and I will let you guys know as soon as they arrive. I'll do a little unboxing. And like I said, today is Monday, December 23rd, and I'm still not engaged. So I'm expecting this pretty soon. My best guess is that he's gonna do it on Christmas Eve. So I'm excited to share that with you and show you my beautiful ring that I did help pick out. So I do know what I'm getting, and it's gorgeous, which is part of the reason why I'm so anxious to get it on this finger. All right, guys, I have to head to work, and I will do a video. I'm not sure if I'll post it on Christmas or the day after Christmas, and hopefully I will have a little sparkly diamond ring on my finger. You guys, I hope you have a fantastic holiday, and don't worry so much about the scale just for the next few days. At least that's what I'm gonna do. And I wish you the best. Merry Christmas, and I will see you next time. Oh, I wanted to add one more thing. I'm actually headed to work, and I forgot to point out that the red sweater that I'm wearing today is my non-scale victory. It is a size medium, and I have not been able to wear it for a few years. So anyway, I wanted to mention that since I didn't weigh myself, I still am getting really positive effects from being on compounded Tirzepatide. So anyway, that's all I wanted to add. You guys have a Merry Christmas.